says you have to choose between location and space, because this home offers you the best of both worlds. You're close to schools, the freeway, and park. But you know what? Instead of me telling you, why don't I show you? As soon as you walk in, you're greeted with a spacious and open floor plan, and with brand new floors that really tie everything together. It flows into the kitchen perfectly, which is great for hosting your guests. And you also have a ton of storage with plenty of room for cooking, while staying connected to the dining room area. Upstairs, you will find 4 bedrooms, and with this home offering over 2,000 square feet, there's plenty of room for everyone to spread out. But the real showstopper is the primary bedroom. You can easily fit a king-size bed and have room to spare. It's the ultimate private retreat to end your day. With a great location and lots of space, this is the perfect place to call home.